Students, good morning. So last class paralinear equation into variables. Paralinear equation into variables. Okay. So solution type 2 methods, graphical method and algebraic method. In algebraic method, elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication method is there. So next in graphical method. Okay. So what is a graphical representation? Algebraic interpretation, solution type, consistent or inconsistent, intersecting lines, parallel lines, coincident, unique solution, infinitely many solution, no solution. Okay, so these are in last class. Okay, now exercise 3.2, third question, and comparing the ratios, same procedure, consistent, inconsistent. Okay. Good morning, students. Today's class, paralinear equation into variables. In last class, I explained the two methods, graphical method and algebraic method. Okay, so graphical method one class I gave the introduction. So remaining graph after reopen the school I will explain. Now algebraic method. So in the algebraic method, the first one, algebraic method of solving paralinear equation. Okay, so first one algebraic method. Algebraic method. In the algebraic method, the first one, substitution method. What is substitute? Substitute now மாற்று பிரதி எழுதல் ஒருத்தருக்கு பதிலா இன்னொன்னு எனக்கு பதிலா இன்னொருத்தருக்கு substitute வருது. Okay, right. So we can substitute one value for x or y. That is substitution method. Some steps are there. The first step, we pick either of the equation and write one variable in terms of the other. For example, first you take two equation, 2x plus 3y equal to 5. X plus y is equal to x is equal to something in one value. Okay, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Okay, x plus y is equal to 1. Now two equations are there. What is the substitution method? How will use this method? The first step, we pick either of the equation and write one variable in terms of other variable. In terms of other variable. What is that? Either of equation. Now we have two equations. In the two equation, you choose any one equation. Write one variable in terms of another one variable. Here two equations are there. So out of these two, I choose one. While choosing the equation, if you have any one variable is without coefficient, for example here 1, no coefficient. Why? No coefficient. If you have any one variable is without coefficient, first you give the priority. First priority give to without coefficient. Okay, here without coefficient is second equation. Okay, so first you take second equation. Solution.
It is equation number 1, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. This is equation number 2, x plus y is equal to 1. Okay, first you choose any one equation. First priority you give to without coefficient. For example, here x is coefficient 2, here y coefficient 3, here x coefficient 1, here y coefficient 1. Okay, so here it is not more than 1. 1 means very easy to simplify. Okay, so first you choose this equation 2. Okay, so in equation 2, equation number 2, which implies, okay, you find the value of any one variable in terms of another variable x. It is equal to 1 minus y. X is equal to 1 minus y. 1 minus y. So x in terms of another variable. X, one variable in terms of another variable. Okay, so it is give equation number 3. Now substitute equation 3 in equation 1. Okay, so because this value you found from equation number 2, this value you found from equation number 2, so you substitute in another equation. That is step number 2. You want to substitute in another equation. What is another equation? It is first equation, right? Now substitute 2 into x value 1 minus y plus 3y is equal to 5. Is equal to 5. So x value replacing by 1 minus y. Now the 2 multiply with 1. 2 into 1 2. The 2 multiply with minus y. Minus 2y plus 3y is equal to 5. 2 minus 2y plus 3y is equal to 5. Now plus 2 minus 2. Minus 2y, 3y. These two are like terms. So minus 2 plus 3, 1y. So y is equal to 5 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2. So y is equal to 3. Y value 3. Y value 3. So next substitute another one. So this value substitute in any equation. Okay, there is no conditions. There is no condition. Now this y value you can substitute in any one. Now the y value you can substitute in any equation. First, second, or this third one. Okay, now y substitute y is equal to 3 in here equation number 3. Okay, so x is equal to 1 minus 3. Y value what is that? 3. So x is equal to 1 minus 3, 2. Now x value is minus 2. X value is minus 2. Y value 3. Verification. Verified. Verification. Okay. So x plus y is equal to 3. Sorry, it is equation 1. Second equation, x plus y is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to 1. Now x value what is that? Minus 2. Y value 3 is equal to 1. Minus 2 plus 3, 1. 1 is equal to 1. So verified. Our answer is correct. Substitute in this equation also. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. 2 into x value minus 2 plus 3 into y value 3 is equal to 5. 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 3 into 3 9 is equal to 5. 9 minus 4 5. So both also correct. Both also correct. Okay. So students listen. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 1. Two equations are given. Okay. So you found any one. First write one variable in terms of another variable. Right? One variable in terms of another variable. Okay. So x is equal to 1 minus y. So you substitute in another equation. So this x is equal to 1 minus y found from equation number 2. Okay. So you substitute in equation 1. So 2 into 1 minus y is plus 3y is equal to 5. So 2 minus 2y. 2 into 1 2. 2 into minus y minus 2y. Okay. Plus 3y is equal to 5. Now y is equal to 5 minus 2. Minus 2y plus 3y. Y. 2 for 2 plus 2 transposition into right hand side. 5 minus 2 3. Y value is equal to 3. Now x is equal to minus 2. Okay. 1 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, that's all. So x value minus 2, y is equal to 3. This verification no need, but our satisfy only verified. Okay.
Exercise 3.3. First question. Exercise 3.3. First question. First one, solve the following pair of linear equation by the substitution method. By the substitution method, right? Listen. So one question: x plus y is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to 14. X minus y is equal to 4. Two equations given. X plus y is equal to 14. X minus y is equal to 4. Now listen. Out of these two equations, first you choose any one equation. Solution. One second, write the question. X plus y is equal to 14. This is equation number 1. X minus y is equal to 4. It is equation number 2. Okay. So out of these two equations, either 1 or 2, you choose any one equation. Here both also without coefficient is there. So your wish, any one. So I choose first equation. First equation implies x plus y is equal to 14. X plus y is equal to 14. Okay. Now write one variable in terms of another variable. Okay. Last question you used x. No. Now you can use y. You keep it y here. Y. It is equal to plus x here minus x. 14 minus x. So y is equal to 14 minus x. Y is equal to 14 minus x. So now it is assumed as equation number 3. Now this y value found from equation number 1. This y value found from equation number 1. So next the y value substitute in equation number 2. In equation number 2. So substitute. That is substitution method. Substitute. Okay. Substitution method output. Substitute y is equal to 14 minus x in equation number 2, because this y value found from equation number 1. The y value found from equation number 1. So here you found from equation number, substitute in equation number 2. What is the equation? X minus y is equal to 4. It is equation number 2. Okay. Now x minus, what about y value? Okay, the minus already in equation. Now y value substitute 14 minus x. It is equal to 4. Okay, now yes, the minus here you are assuming minus 1 is there. Minus 1. Minus into plus minus 14. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus. Because here bracket no. Bracket means multiplication. Minus into minus plus. X is equal to 4. Now x plus x. Both are like terms. So we can add it. X plus x 2x. Minus 14 is equal to 4. So 2x minus 14 is equal to 4. So 2x is equal to 4 plus 14. 2x is equal to 4 plus 14. 4 plus 14 value. So 2x means 2 into x. 2 into x. 4 plus 14. 18. So x is equal to 18 divided by 2. So x value 9. X value 9. Okay, now x value substitute. X is equal to 9 in any one equation, 1 or 2 or 3, your wish. Okay, I substitute here in equation number 3, because here directly we can find. So y is equal to 14 minus 9. X value 9. So y is equal to 5. Okay, x is equal to 9, y is equal to 5. Verify. X plus y, x value what is it? 9. 9 plus 5, 14. X value 9, y value 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. So x is equal to 9, y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Are you clear? Do you have any doubt?
Y is equal to 5. It is not 15. Okay. In board like as 15, but in my voice only 5 only. Y is equal to 5.
Then next one more sum. One more sum. Next one more sum. Fourth one. root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Root 2x plus square root of 3y divided by, second equation, square root of 3x minus square root of 8y is equal to 0. So solution. Okay. Again read the question. Square root of 2x plus square root of 3y equal to 0. Second equation, square root of 3x minus square root of 8y is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Okay, so what is the first step? You find any one variable in terms of another variable. Before find the variable, choose any one equation. So all the one have some coefficient, so no problem. Work out it. Root first is I choose first equation. Root 2 root square root of 2x plus square root of 3y is equal to 0. Okay, now you find the x value. Square root of 2x is equal to 0 minus plus square root of 3y minus square root of 3y minus square root of 3y. So now square root of 2x it is equal to minus square root of 3y. Square root of 2x is equal to minus square root of 3y. Now x is equal to minus square root of 3y divided by square root of 2. It is equation number 3. So what is x value? Minus square root of 3 divided by square root of 2 into y. Are you clear? Now plus minus multiplication division. Now substitute x is equal to minus square root of 3y divided by square root of 2 in equation. So this value you found from equation number 1. So it is equation number 2. In equation number 2. Okay. So what is the equation number 2? Square root of 3 x value here what is it? Minus square root of 3y divided by square root of 2. Then minus square root of 8y. It is equal to 0. Okay. Square root of 3 x square root of 3 into x value minus square root of 3y divided by square root of 2 minus square root of 8y. Now multiply. Plus into minus square root of 3 into square root of 3. Square root of 3 into square root of 3. So minus 3y divided by square root of 2. Minus square root of 2, square root of 8y is equal to 0. Okay, so it is a fraction, it is a number. Okay, so it is one whole number, not a whole something. So cross multiplication. So minus 3y minus square root of 2 into square root of 8y is equal to 0. Minus square root of minus 3y into minus 3y minus square root of 2 into square root of 8y. So
minus 3y divided by square root of 2 minus square root of 8 y is equal to 0. Okay, next cross multiplication. Denominators are different. Here denominator is 1. Okay, right. So minus 3y minus square root of 8 into square root of 2 y divided by square root of 2 is equal to 0. Okay, this step no need. Okay, once I explain how this square root of 2 cancelled, I explained. Okay, here divided by square root of 2 no. So here multiplication. So 0 anything 0. So answer minus 3y minus square root of 16y is equal to 0. Minus 3y minus square root of 16y is equal to 0. Okay, in the divided by square root of 2 multiply with the 0. Multiply the 0. So 0 into anything 0. So only this step.
Minus 2 into 8, 16. Square root of 16y is equal to 0. So minus 3y minus 4y is equal to 0. Square root of 16, 4. So that's all. So minus 7y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. 0 by anything. 0 here one step you already. 0 divided by minus 7. Okay, it is multiplication. Minus 7y means minus 7 into y. Okay, so the y value is 0. Okay, now substitute y is equal to 0 in equation 3. So by x is equal to minus square root of 3 divided by 2 into 0. So minus square root of 3 divided by 2 into 0. X is equal to 0. That's all. X is equal to 0. Now x value 0 and y value 0. Both will be 0. X value 0, y value 0. Okay. So keep it in mind. Only two steps is there. First one is you find any one variable in terms of another variable. The second one, substitute in another equation. Substitute in another equation. Okay. Right. So this class over. I will give you a homework. Okay. So 2 classes substitution method, 2 classes elimination method. I will try to complete. Okay. Suppose are one more class. So please cooperate with them. So it is very easiest one if you are understand, very easiest one. Okay. If you are not understand, very complicated one. Okay. Don't copy from any solutions from Google. Okay, that is best. Okay. Thank you, students.